This task tip continues to discuss how to use the call visualizer to search for specific calls to and from your company. Knowing exactly where an incoming call came from or where an outgoing call went to is important. This knowledge helps make sure your customers have a good experience and your employees are not abusing their telephone privileges. Call Visualizer can show you any call from beginning to end, so you can see exactly how it was handled by the telephone system and the employee. This example illustrates how to search for specific telephone numbers and how to save the filter for future use. To begin, go to the Call Visualizer area of My Task Contact. The default page is New Filter. Notice that the default filter searches for all calls on today. In this example, we will not select an alternate date, but we'll create a filter that searches the current day's data for calls to directory assistance. To begin refining the filter, click the Phone Numbers Edit link. This search option allows you to add specific telephone numbers to the filter and search for all calls to and from those numbers. To add a specific number to our filter, click the Add button. The phone number type list allows you to select the format of the telephone number. For instance, is the telephone number local, long distance, or international? Select the format for a North American telephone number that includes the area code in parentheses. Input the telephone number 555-1212, leaving the area code as 3 asterisks. This allows us to search for any calls to directory assistance. Leaving asterisks for the area code results in calls to this telephone number from any area code. Save your changes and return to the new filter page. Notice that the filter summary now includes the directory assistance telephone number. Clicking any of the links in the filter summary allows you to edit that option, and clicking Search runs the filter. The search results are a one-line summary of each call matching the filter criteria. The search results show us that there were 2 employees who called directory assistance on this day. Extension 256 at 1:21 p.m. and extension 424 at 3:25 p.m. Those calls lasted 40 seconds and 31 seconds respectively. To save this filter for future use, click the Save Filter link. Input Directory Assistance Search for the filter name and save the filter. You can now see a link to your saved filter in the index pane. Clicking this link immediately begins the search for directory assistance calls that began since midnight. You now know how to search for calls by phone number and to save their filter.